inches. It looks like they're one of the biggest spots. Parkton 2.3 inches. Even Timonium and Elkton saw about an inch and a half. BWI just short of an inch of snow. And you know, normally for the month of December, we see a lot more. We're in a deficit, or I should say for January. We're in a deficit. What month is it? It's February. That's what month it is. It's Valentine's Day coming up. Yes, that month. We're in a deficit of almost 3 inches of snowfall, so we need what we can get. Temperature-wise, though, today we got 42 degrees. Guess what time that was? 1 in the morning. You know when our low of 32 was? Closer to the afternoon hours. So you could really see how there we flip-flopped as this Arctic air is going to come on down. Temperatures yet again will continue to feel brutal, not only because of the colder air mass in place, but now we have the winds to contend with, giving us the wind chill factor. So right now, 32 in Essex, Annapolis, you're at 35, Easton now sitting at 34. But what does it feel like? You need 2 coats on, or maybe just the really thick coats with the faux fur on it. 28 in the Inner Harbor. Stevensville feels like 25. Elkton feels like 24 degrees, and that's just with our winds averaging almost 10 miles an hour. Annapolis, you're up to 13. Tomorrow, we should see them sustained 10 to 15, but gusting closer to 25 miles per hour. So no matter what the thermometer reads, it will feel almost 10 degrees cooler as we have this low pressure system kicking out of our area. And as a result, we will start out with clouds, maybe a 10% chance of early morning rain, snow, and then we'll end up seeing sunshine by the afternoon. Temperature wise, though, we're yet again in the 30s with our winds out of the west-northwest, so pulling in that cooler Arctic air. But when you factor in the breeze, remember, it's going to feel much cooler. So kids, maybe you can stay inside your parents' car while you wait for the bus stop tomorrow morning, because no one really wants to be outside when it's actually going to feel closer to the teens. Then as we head throughout Tuesday morning, high pressure right on top of us. Winds begin to relax. We still end up seeing sunshine. Temperatures now are going to be a little bit warmer in the 40s, but still technically below average by about 5 degrees. Let's show it to you. Here's your hour-by-hour futurecast starting you off tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. This is what it actually will read. So Parkton 16, but what it will feel like with those winds closer to about 10, maybe even a few single digits out there. Out over toward Easton, 21 degrees, and out over toward Elkton, 16, but yet again feeling closer to the single digits. Now fast forward this at your lunch hour. We're into the mid to upper 20s. That is it, folks, for you. So maybe you have your Super Bowl leftovers. That's what you want to bring, that nice bowl of chili, right? And then even by 5 p.m., temperatures still yet again. It is cold. It is cold on Monday, and it's going to be cold on Tuesday, but there will be a little bit of a warm up. This is what it will feel like for those folks celebrating Valentine's Day. 8 a.m., your chocolates are not going to melt as temperatures will be 22, but feeling like 14. By 12 o'clock, 29 degrees, but really only feeling like 20. And now at 4 p.m., only feeling like 23 degrees. So it's brutal for the flower delivery man having to do that. You have to really wear the gloves. For Valentine's Day dinner, temperature-wise, will begin to drop. Winds, though, will start to drop down as well. 7-day forecast does, in fact, show a big warm-up on Thursday. However, we could actually see flooding, rain, and severe weather. More details on that in just a bit. We'll be right back.